Here's a 2016 Lincoln MKX. When it comes to your drive, you have to consider all the details: comfort, space, efficiency, safety. This Lincoln MKX covers everything perfectly. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, external memory control, doors and push button start proximity key, voice activated climate controls, rear parking sensors, and V6 engine. New Car Test Drive highlights that while highway cruising, the cabin is very quiet and speech intelligibility around the cabin is excellent. Unforgettable journeys and possibilities await you in this Lincoln. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.